I'll guide you through how to add a payment method on Shopify. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings, then select Payments. On this page, you'll see available options. Click Choose a Provider to view a list of third-party payment providers. A new screen will appear showing many options such as Adyen, 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝘀, and others. These providers support various payment types like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and more. You can scroll or use the search bar to find a provider that works best for your business. After selecting one, follow the prompts to connect your account and enable the service. You may be asked to sign in or authorize access to link your payment provider to Shopify, or you can choose another supported payment method like PayPal. Simply click it and then press Activate. You'll be redirected to log in and connect your account. Once done, save your settings. That's it. Your Shopify store is now ready to accept payments. Don't forget to test your checkout to ensure everything works before launching.